Chapter 4 Advanced Presentation Applying Transition. If you have ever seen a PowerPoint presentation that had special effects between each slide, you have seen slide transitions. A transition can be as simple as fading to the next slide or as flashy as an eye-catching effect. PowerPoint makes it easy to apply transition to some or all of your slides, giving your presentation a polished and professional look. About transitions, there are three categories of unique transitions to choose from, all of which can be found on the Transition tab. Subtle. These are the most basic types of transitions. They use simple animations to move between slides. Exciting. These use more complex animations to transition between slides. While they are more usually interesting than subtle transitions, adding too many can make your presentation look less professional. Dynamic content. If you are transitioning between two slides that use similar slides layout, dynamic transitions will move only the placeholders, not the slides themselves. When used correctly, dynamic transitions can help unify your slides and add a further level of polish to your presentation. Transitions are the best used in moderation. Adding too many transitions can make your presentation look like a little silly and can even be distracting to your audience. Consider using more subtle transitions or not using transitions at all. To apply a transition, 1. Select the desired slide from the slide navigation pane. This is the slide that will appear after the transition. 2. Click the Transitions tab, then locate the transition to this slide group. By default, none is applied to each slide. 3. Click the More drop-down arrow to display all transitions. 4. Click a transition to apply it to the selected side. This will automatically preview the transition. You can use the Apply to All command in the timing group to apply the same transition to all slides in your presentation. Keep in mind that this will modify any other transitions you have applied. Try applying a few different types of transitions to various slides in your presentation. You may find that some transitions work better than others, depending on the content of your slides. To preview a transition, you can preview the transition for a selected slide at any time using either of these two methods. Click the Preview command on the Transition tab. Click the Play Animations command in the slide navigation pane. Managing slides. As you add more slides to a presentation, it can be difficult to keep everything organized. Fortunately, PowerPoint offers tools to help you organize and prepare your slideshow. About slide views. PowerPoint includes several different slide views which are all useful for various tasks. The slide view commands are located in the bottom right of the PowerPoint window. There are four main slide views. Normal view. This is the default view where you create and edit slides. You can also move slides in the slide navigation pane on the left. Slide Sorter View. In this view, you will see a thumbnail version of each slide. You can drag and drop slides to reorder them quickly. Reading view. This view fills the PowerPoint window with a preview of your presentation. It includes easily accessible navigation buttons at the bottom right. Slideshow view. This is the view you will use to present to an audience. This command will begin the presentation from the current slide. You can also press F5 on your keyboard to start from the beginning. A menu will appear in the bottom left corner where you move the mouse. These commands allow you to navigate through the slides and access other features such as the pen and highlighter. Outline view. Outline view shows your slide text in outline form. This allows you to quickly edit your slide text and view the content of multiple slides at once. You can use this layout to review the organization of your slideshow and prepare to deliver your presentation. To view an outline. 1. From the View tab, click the Outline View command. 2. An outline of your slide text will appear in the slide navigation pane. 3. You can type directly in the outline to make changes to your next slide